Hey food lovers, welcome back to Platter. Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate summer snack. Frozen yogurt bark with berries. It's creamy, fruity, crunchy, and best of all, it's super easy to make. If you're looking for a healthy no-bake treat that's perfect for hot days, this is it. Let's dive right in. Now, I love this recipe for a few reasons. First, it's a no-cook recipe. You literally just assemble, freeze, and enjoy. Second, you can customize it to your heart's content. Want it sweeter? Add more honey. Want it tangy? Use plain yogurt. Want extra crunch? Add nuts or seeds. And finally, it's not just for snacking. You can serve it as a healthy dessert or even a grab-and-go breakfast. 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I'm using full fat for that luscious, creamy texture. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. This adds natural sweetness. A teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Totally optional, but I think it makes a big difference. 1 cup of mixed berries. Blueberries, sliced strawberries, raspberries, whatever's fresh and in season. Half a cup of granola. Choose your favorite kind. And finally, a few optional toppings, like chopped almonds, chia seeds, shredded coconut, or a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips if you want a dessert vibe. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This is important so your bark releases easily after freezing. In a mixing bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract. Stir until it's creamy and well combined. You'll notice it gets a beautiful glossy texture. Pour the yogurt mixture onto the prepared baking sheet. Using a spatula, spread it out evenly until it's about 1/4 inch thick. You don't want it to thin, or it will break apart easily, but you also don't want it to thick, because it will take forever to freeze. Now comes the fun part, toppings. Start with your fresh berries. Scatter them evenly over the yogurt base, so every piece gets a pop of fruit. Next, sprinkle over the granola for that lovely crunch. This is also where you can get creative. Add some chopped nuts for richness, chia seeds for a healthy boost, or shredded coconut for a tropical twist. If you're in the mood for dessert, sprinkle over some dark chocolate chips or shavings. Trust me, the chocolate turns this into a frozen treat you can't resist. Once everything's topped, place the baking sheet into the freezer. It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully set, depending on your freezer. When it's ready, lift the parchment paper out of the tray and place the bark on a cutting board. Using your hands, gently break it into pieces. I like to make some big pieces for a snack and smaller ones for adding to smoothie bowls. Now, a quick tip. Yogurt bark melts quickly at room temperature, so always store it in a freezer-safe container. Layer parchment paper between the pieces to stop them from sticking. It will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, but honestly, mine never lasts that long. You can enjoy this bark straight from the freezer, or get creative, crumble it over oatmeal, toss it into a smoothie, or serve it as a light dessert after dinner. It's also a fantastic snack for kids because it feels like a treat, but it's secretly healthy. And there you have it. Frozen yogurt bark with berries, the ultimate refreshing summer snack. It's quick, easy, and endlessly customizable. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Platter, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below and let me know what toppings you'd try. I might just feature your combo in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious recipe.